Don't just go out there, put on some running shoes and go running. That's not even what I'm telling you to do. You have to start wherever you are. Some people can only start with a 30-second exercise. Yes, you heard me, 30 seconds. It depends on where you are. An easy way to do it would be high intensity interval training. It's commonly abbreviated HIIT, HIIT. And what that just means is you're going to go exercise in a burst and then take some rest. Exercise in a burst, take some rest. The burst and rest can differ. Sometimes it's I'm exercising for 30 seconds, then I'm going to rest for 5 minutes. I'm so tired. Yes, because your body's not used to this, right? But you'll gradually increase your burst time and gradually reduce your rest time. So start wherever you are. There is no rule for this. Just get up and do something. Get up, take a jump rope, jump till 5. If that's what you can do, that's it. Take a rest, jump again till 5. Eventually, slowly, you will get to jump till 1,000. So start somewhere. The third thing I'm going to talk to you about that can help you get your hormones in order is gratitude.